Hey muñecas, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we have a hair tutorial. I love it. Today I'm going to share with you guys how I curl my hair using a flat iron, which I just started doing not long ago and I am obsessed. It gives my hair so much volume and it makes the curls last longer. They look more beachy. It's simple to do. I don't have to take half an hour. Like I can literally do my entire head in 15 minutes and it's just a beautiful hairstyle for anyone, especially if you are rocking short hair like I am. I love it. So if you want to see exactly how I created these beachy waves with a lot of volume, then just keep on watching. Okay, so my hair today is second hair day. I washed it last night, I let it air dry, and then I went to bed, and then today I've been wearing it in this bun. And now we're just gonna put it down, comb it through, make sure that it's nice and smooth before we begin curling it. I actually like to curl my hair on day 2, preferably just because I feel that it has a little bit more body and volume. It's not like as clean as day 1, and especially the fact that I put it up in a bun, it makes it get a little bit more of volume. Like my hair does not have this volume naturally, so I really like that. And then now we're gonna separate the hair just with my fingers. You can do it with a comb, whatever you prefer. And then I'm gonna clip it up using one of these guys right here, which we call mariposas in Spanish, like a butterfly, but it's just a hair clip, so just secure it in place. All right, so we're going to begin with sections of hair of about 1 inch. Then you're gonna clip the flat iron, twist the flat iron, and then let it go going and down like in a downward motion. That is what I'm doing right here. I'm gonna explain it now a little bit more, but that's how I started with the bottom section of my hair. So now I'm gonna separate my hair again and just using my fingers again, like one line of hair. And again, we're taking small sections of hair and we're going to slightly bring down and twist it like that. And that should be the type of curl that you get. The faster that you do it, your curls are gonna be more natural. The longer you take with the hair, like to let it go, the curlier it's going to look. So I like to kind of like do it in between, not too fast, but not too slow either. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. That's the whole point. We want it to be kind of like more natural, so it's fine if they don't all come out to be the same. I'm gonna continue dividing it in sections until we're pretty much done with the entire hair. One thing that I will suggest is to practice with the flat iron cold if it's the first time that you're going to do it, because not everybody's used to it. It's a little bit different. Like it's not difficult, but it could be tricky. So remember, you're gonna hold the hair like that, the piece of hair, and then as soon as you put it on the hair, you're gonna start twisting, and then just one twist and letting go. And I think I took a little bit too much hair there, but if you practice with a flat iron cold, you can get a little bit more control and know exactly what you need to do when it's actually hot. Because the last thing that you want is to get stuck in a piece of hair like here and then not be able to bring it down and then maybe burn your hair. So you don't want to do that. So it's simple, but it does have its little trick. So you just want to just take the hair, grab it, twist your flat iron, and then just go all the way down, and that's it, and let it go. So it's simple, but you do need a little bit of practice.
You're done.
I know, I just gotta do my hair. Okay, I'm almost done.
Okay.
So for today, I want my hair to be like parted in the middle. So I went ahead and parted my hair using my little comb, and then I'm gonna begin curling my hair, going this way and then that way. One more thing is that when you're curling your hair, at least the top part, I want to curl it going up like that so that I get the most volume out of my hair. so I can lift the roots. It's like a root lift. So once you finish curling your entire head, you want to let your hair cool down a little bit, and then you're going to go in and spray your roots, especially with either a texturizing spray or a dry shampoo. Today I'm going to be using this one by Chi, which is the Intra Texture. So you're going to just put it up like that, and we're going to spray just the roots. Flip my hair. Now just run your fingers through the curls to make sure that they look more natural. You can also use a white tooth comb, but I don't have one right here now, so I'm just gonna use my fingers. Alright, so this is the final result. I love how it looks. I really love that it gives my hair so much volume. Like I said, it makes my curls last longer. It just looks so sexy. I don't know, I really feel like it looks extra sexy. And you can wear this for anything. You can wear it for a night glam, you can wear it for on your everyday. Like, it's just amazing. I love it. I love this hair, and I hope that you guys do as well. If you liked it, if you enjoyed it, if you learned anything new, don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and don't forget to follow me on my social media. I am everywhere on the Glam by Penela, so you can find me Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, everywhere, Glam by Penela. So if you want to know a little bit more about me, you are going to find it there. Again, thank you so much for watching. Mil besos, and I see you guys next time. Bye.